Enjoy technical work? Love working with your hands and your mind to solve complex problems? Then a career in the telecommunications industry may be for you. Most jobs in this field require technical training through apprenticeships, associate's or bachelor's degrees, with many occupations earning higher than the national average. With a high school diploma and post-secondary certificate, career options include telecommunication technicians, broadband technicians, central office technicians, cable splicers, linemen, and cable technicians. Several high-demand occupations may be obtained through apprenticeships, including telecommunications tower technicians, wireless technicians, telecommunications antenna and line forepersons, and fiber optic technicians. Fields that require more advanced credentials, an associate's or bachelor's degree as well as certificate, are telecommunications engineers, network managers, and registered communications distribution designers. Is a career in telecommunications for you? Keep these points in mind. Adaptability and willingness to learn new skills and technologies are essential for telecommunications workers. Careers in the telecommunications industry can involve working in customers' homes, tight and sometimes dirty crawl spaces, high up on towers or poles, as well as in switch rooms and offices. Changing technologies have created more efficient ways to deliver cable, wireless, and internet to homes and businesses, driving down job growth. Many telecommunications careers require an unusual mix of aptitude for technology and technical problem solving, along with providing friendly customer service.